contemporary house design surrounded by plants to feel in touch with nature. Introduction: a seamless blend of modern living and nature. Welcome to the Decor Today YouTube channel, where we explore the best in architecture and home interior design. In today's video, we'll be diving into a stunning contemporary house design that is truly unique because it integrates lush plant life throughout the living space, creating a harmonious connection with nature. This home uses innovative design elements to not only enhance its aesthetic but also improve the quality of life of its inhabitants by bringing the outdoors inside. If you're someone who values sustainability, natural beauty, and contemporary design, then this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below as we explore how this home has truly captured the essence of nature in a modern way. Bringing nature indoors: the role of plants in contemporary living. The contemporary house we're looking at today is a perfect example of how plants can transform a home. The design focuses on creating spaces that allow residents to feel connected to nature, even when indoors. From green walls to hanging gardens, plants are seamlessly integrated into every corner of the home. Large windows allow natural light to flood the interiors, giving the plants the perfect environment to thrive while also creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. The presence of plants does more than just beautify the space, it improves air quality, Sustainability and environmental design, a green home philosophy. One of the standout features of this house is its focus on sustainability and environmentally conscious design. The integration of plants is not just for aesthetics but plays a crucial role in reducing the home's environmental impact. Green roofs, rainwater harvesting systems, and the use of natural, sustainable materials throughout the home contribute to a lower carbon footprint. The plants also help regulate the temperature inside the house, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. This eco-friendly approach open-plan layouts, enhancing the flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. In this design, an open-plan layout is used to further blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The house is structured in such a way that rooms flow into one another, allowing natural light to penetrate deep into the interior. Large sliding glass doors open up onto spacious outdoor terraces and gardens, creating a sense of continuity between the inside and outside. This open design is perfect for plant integration as it allows for a seamless transition between living spaces and outdoor green areas. Biophilic design, connecting people with nature through architecture. The concept of biophilic design is key in this home's architecture. Biophilic design refers to creating spaces that connect people with the natural world, which has been shown to improve mental health, reduce stress, and enhance creativity. In this home, biophilic principles are applied through the use of plants, natural materials, and natural light, all of which help foster a closer relationship between the inhabitants and their surroundings. The incorporation of natural textures like wood, stone, and water features smart plant integration, choosing the right plants for the right spaces. Choosing the right plants for different spaces is an essential part of the design process. Not all plants are suited to every room in the house, so thoughtful selection was made to ensure that the plants thrive in their environment. In the living room, large, leafy plants like ficus trees and palms are positioned strategically to enhance the overall aesthetic. Smaller, more delicate plants are placed in bedrooms and bathrooms, creating a calming and tranquil atmosphere. The selection of plants goes beyond just decoration. It's about choosing species that suit maximizing outdoor space, creating private gardens and terraces. While the interior of the home is beautifully surrounded by plants, the outdoor spaces play an equally important role in this design. The house is equipped with private gardens, terraces, and patios that are designed to maximize the outdoor living experience. These outdoor spaces are ideal for growing plants, creating spaces for relaxation, and providing areas for entertaining guests. The plant life outside flows seamlessly into the interior spaces, with large, open windows bringing the outdoors in. Whether it's a lush vegetable garden, a flower-filled patio, creating a relaxing atmosphere, how plants contribute to well-being. One of the most significant benefits of integrating plants into home design is their ability to create a relaxing, peaceful atmosphere. Research has shown that having plants in your environment can reduce anxiety, increase productivity, and improve overall mental health. In this contemporary house, plants are placed in spaces where relaxation and tranquility are a priority, such as the living room, bedroom, and study. The presence of greenery in these spaces helps create a soothing ambience, making it easy. Lighting and ventilation, perfect conditions for plants to thrive. For plants to thrive indoors, it's essential to provide the right lighting and ventilation. This house is designed with ample windows and skylights, ensuring that the plants receive the sunlight they need to grow. Ventilation is equally important, especially in humid environments where plant care is essential. The home's design maximizes airflow, ensuring that the plants are well circulated and healthy. Smart design choices, such as operable windows and ceiling fans, contribute to the overall health of both the plants. Conclusion: living in harmony with nature through thoughtful design. In conclusion, this contemporary house design surrounded by plants is a beautiful example of how architecture can integrate the natural world into everyday life. By incorporating biophilic design principles, sustainable practices, and thoughtful plant integration, this home creates a harmonious balance between modern living and nature. The lush greenery not only enhances the home's aesthetics but also improves the overall quality of life for its inhabitants, fostering a deeper connection with the environment. If you enjoyed this tour of a plant-filled contemporary home, don't forget to like, subscribe,